Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Fivver for freelance services, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Fiverr account for freelance services, begin by visiting the Fiverr website. Click on the join button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be presented with options to sign up using your email, Facebook, Google, or Apple account. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you have completed the registration process, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the link provided to verify your account. After verification, log into your Fiverr account using your credentials. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your username or profile picture in the upper right corner. Fill in your profile information, including your name, profile picture, and a brief description of your skills and services. Ensure that your profile is complete, as this helps build trust with potential clients. Next, set your display name. This is the name that will be visible to clients. You can now create your first gig by clicking on the Selling tab and selecting Gigs. Click on the Create a New Gig button to start the process. Fill in the gig title, category, and service type according to what you offer. Add a compelling description highlighting your skills and what makes your service unique. Set your pricing options, including packages if applicable, and outline what clients can expect at each price level. Afterward, upload relevant images or videos to showcase your work, as visuals significantly enhance your gig's appeal. Make sure to write clear FAQs to address common client inquiries. Once your gig details are filled out, review everything carefully to ensure accuracy. When satisfied, click the Publish Gig button to make your service live on Fiverr. To optimize your gig for better visibility, consider using relevant keywords in your title and description. Lastly, promote your gig through social media and other channels to attract potential clients. Congratulations, you have successfully activated and set up your Fiverr account for freelance services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.